Best regards for my teacher and companion. This is Benavides. I'm from Pitalito. I work at the SECAP Pitalito. The selected theme is very topical and to my career, and this is the orange economy. But what is the orange economy? Is the group of linked activities through which ideas are transformed into cultural goods and services. Value is determined by intellectual property. The Orange Universe includes first the cultural economy and the creative industries, which share the conventional cultural and second creativity supporting activities. I explain some that economy is composed of activities, all activities related to presentation and transmission of cultural heritage, the conventional cultural industry. The cultural economy. In this item, we have art and heritage, business, installation and video art, performance art, photography, fashion and horticulture, performing and public shows, theater, dances and puppets, orchestra, opera and zarzuela, concert, circus, organized improvisation, happiness, fashion, halls, and tourism and material and immaterial cultural heritage, in graphic art and antiques, in lighting and typical production, gastronomy, music, archives and libraries, architecture and restoration, natural park and ecotourism, tourism, monuments, archaeological sites, historical gardens, etc. The second item is creative industries. Creative industry combine the component cultural industry and functional creation, new media and software. The functional creation, new media and software, they are activities not traditional associated with culture, but they are defined by their symbolic value, the consume in of their value. And the second area, graphic and illustration, visual, style, production, software, video games, other intellectual audiovisual content, digital content, management software, and that is all. I hope this to your liking, and we see you. Bye bye.